Knowing the condition of your soil is imperative to growing plants successfully. So if you have dry soil where there's a lack of moisture, you need to make sure that you have plants that can grow in those conditions. And one group of plants that really cope with dry soil are salvias. Now, salvias is a very vast group of plants. They can be annual, they can be perennials, some are half hardy, and there are others that are actually shrubby that have a woody stem. If you're looking for reliable plants that can cope with driest conditions, then head to the group of salvias. I do like Verbena, whether it's Verbena bonariensis, tall and statuesque, or if I need something a little bit shorter in the border, I'll go for something like Verbena bampton. But those plants are ones that I choose for drier soils. They're great at coping with less water. Make sure you get them established. They will need a good watering in when they first go into your border, but after that, they'll cope with these longer, hotter summers. The thing about Echinops is that they don't take up much space, but they really catch your eye. The little globe thistle, really lovely punctuations in the border. And the benefit is that they don't need to have damp conditions. They're happy in full sun, and if your soil gets baked, Echinops is the one for you. You will find it covered in bees. There's a huge array of perennials that can work very well in dry soils and those hot summer days, but there's also some shrubs. One go-to that I like is Caryopteris Dark Night. It gives off a really lovely dark blue flower, but it can sit there being baked and baked and baked, barely being watered, and therefore giving longevity into your border. Lavender, don't we all love lavender? Well, why wouldn't we? It reminds us of the Mediterranean, where it comes from. And if you're in the Med, you know it's all about sitting out and basking in the sun. The more heat it gets, the more perfume you get from those flowers, and it can cope with very dry soil. Once you get it established, you really won't be disappointed to what this plant gives you. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to get more great tips from Gardener's World magazine.